Good day, 3D artist. If you're specializing in 3ds Max or looking to learn 3D modeling from zero in Blender, stick around because this video was made just for you. If you're already a Blender user, don't go anywhere either, because I've got some fresh news to share that you'll definitely find interesting. Plus, we're pushing to hit those 1,000 subscribers, so hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, the April update for PolyCave is finally here, and if you have no clue what PolyCave is, let me fill you in. Let's go. PolyCave was my answer to over 12 years of using 3ds Max coming to an end. It's a Blender add-on that lets you model exactly like you would in Max. You don't need to master Blender's hidden shortcuts or throw away everything you already know. That's the whole point of PolyCave, to be the bridge between your Max skills and your work in Blender, so you don't waste time relearning how to do things you could already do easily with EditPoly. Right now, PolyCave is in early access, and honestly, it's the best time to hop on board. For just $7, you get lifetime access. Once you buy it, it's yours forever. At Horncave, we have a clear rule. We don't believe in monthly subscriptions that never end. Check out the link, take a look, and start modeling in Blender just like you did in Max. At the end of the day, it's about what we create, not how many new shortcuts we memorized. One of the things that always held me back from Blender was how hard it seemed to work with parameters. Being an architect, you can imagine how frustrated I got trying to create products with super specific measurements. It got even worse when I started taking commissions for 3D printing prototypes. Don't even get me started on trying to align mechanical parts. Things that were rock solid in Max felt like total chaos in Blender. That's why I built PolyCave, bringing a more precise and parametric philosophy to Blender so I could hit my deadlines without the headache. The best part about moving to Blender is the creative freedom I have now, but with the control that PolyCave provides. Eventually, I started exploring other Blender tools and integrating them into my workflow, like better alternatives for the modifiers I used in Max, and recently, some tools to make UV unwrapping as intuitive as it is in Max. If you're scared of feeling clumsy or lost by switching to Blender, I totally get it. I was there too, and at the worst possible time, buried under a mountain of work and unable to use my main software. PolyCave was born out of pure necessity. Since it's my go-to tool in Blender, I'm the most invested in maintaining it and providing monthly updates. I've been using it for 4 months now, staying on track with my workflow without delays and without having to learn Blender the traditional way. I hope this helps you as much as it helped me. I'm leaving a playlist here with all the exercises I've been doing in my free time with PolyCave so you can see it in action before you buy, plus another recommendation from YouTube. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.